The first brand I helped sell on Amazon was a big publicly traded company. And they had over 100 different SKUs in Walgreens and Walmart. But when they went to Amazon, they couldn't get anything done. They were stagnant. They couldn't even get past $4,000 in sales. My name is Stephen Pope, and I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. And I want to tell you about how I solved their problem and why I might be able to help you too. So I started launching their products, fixing their catalog. They had UPC issues. They had branding issues. They didn't have any of their branding figured out. They had issues with advertising. They had high A costs. They had all kinds of challenges. So I went in there and I launched all of their products. I built up their catalog. I had to do a lot of template file uploads. That was freaking crazy what I had to do with that. The amount of work I had to do in Excel files made me hire an assistant in the first 2 weeks of starting my agency, let me tell you. But by the end of day 90, I had grown them from $4K a month to $83,000 a month. They're still a client 6.5 years later, and now they do $1 million per month. I have helped over 1,000 brands increase their sales on Amazon using the same methodologies. Basically, anything that improves traffic or conversion rate on Amazon. Under traffic, we have PPC and SEO, and under conversion, design, and any of the catalog troubleshooting issues, just like we mentioned. So if you would be interested in me having a look at your own Amazon brand, we give out free audits. All you have to do is tell us what ASIN you've got. We'll go in there and record a 5-minute video diagnosing where we think we can help you grow. And by the way, the fastest way to grow on Amazon is to improve the main image. We call it the CTR main image hack. And what we do is we add a keyword, the ingredients. If you sell a supplement, we add the pill. We show all of the flavor and textures. If we can show the product in use, all the accessories. And by doing that, that can double, sometimes triple the click-through rate on a listing. When you triple the click-through rate on a listing, the sales go up pretty fast. And since Amazon's already solved a lot of the conversion issues that a lot of brands have, it's a 10% conversion rate on Amazon. But it's 10 times easier to double the traffic than it is to double the conversion rate, which is why we start there usually. Most people have a traffic problem, but conversion is still important. You got to get the aesthetics right for all of that, all that good stuff in the designs and brand stories and A+ content and all the secondary image stacks. Sometimes people don't have their customer avatar right, you know, and I always like to joke, like, how do you know that you're selling the right product to the right person? What if you were trying to sell a Russian mail order bride? It's a weird example, I realize, but it's memorable. Well, the target demographic for a Russian mail order bride, 3-time divorced truck driver. And I have found when you can get it down to that level, it's a totally different game. You wouldn't try and sell a toothbrush to anybody with just teeth. That's not how marketing works. In politics, you want to cast that tent as large as possible. But in marketing, you want to push away people as much as you pull them in. Just like that soundbite on Russian mail order brides probably made a few people click off the video already. I know that, but I know the guy that's laughing right now wants to hire me. That's the guy I'm speaking to right now. I'm also speaking to somebody who would want to hire a guy who knows how to grow their own company. My Amazon Guy is a $20 million grossing agency. That means I make $20 million a year, and we manage over $800 million of Amazon sales under 400 brands at My Amazon Guy. And that's allowed me to purchase this beautiful lake here, which I've been walking by during the video. It's allowed me to get my dream home. I've bought Lambos, R8s, all the fun stuff that's allowed me to be a successful businessman. So, would you rather hire the guy who doesn't know how to grow his own company? Or would you rather hire me? Because I've grown a lot of companies and I can grow my own. So my name is Stephen Pope. I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. Hopefully this video was a good introduction to who I am and what we might be able to do for you. We'll grow your traffic and your conversion. All you got to do is contact us and we'll help you out best we can. Thanks for watching.